Hey, welcome to the video. My name's Rich, and today I will show you how to make your videos transparent. Okay, for the purposes of this video, I will be using Shotcut, but the method, as far as I'm concerned, is the same for every video editing software. So you have your main video in a video track. You need to open another video track, and this one has to be on top of the main video. Then you select the clip that you want to make transparent, in other words see-through, and for me it is this one. Lol. So what you do now is you place the clip onto the part of the video you want it to play in. Mine is around the end here. Now if you play it now, you won't see the bottom video, you'll only see this. So to make it see-through, you select it, go on filters, video filters, or you can just type in the word opacity. Here it is. Now you will see this bar, and you can move, and it will affect how see-through, how solid or see-through the video is. So if we put the video up here a bit, you can actually see under it is the game. Right to right, the video is solid. The further left you go, the less of it you can see. So you have to pick the right level for you, and that is basically it. That is how you do it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this tutorial has helped you in any way, then please consider subscribing. It would really help out, and you can always unsubscribe in the future. Please like the video and comment down below what tutorial on the Shotcut you would like to see next, and I'll see you next time.